oh my God, the market crashed, so now what? Hello guys. This is a very interesting video for 2026. It's a lot of bearish momentum, it's a lot of fear on the market, and I just want to do my personal outlook in case if we are going to see a big market crash, what to do when it comes to big prices and massive exponential fear. Well, before anything else, I'm just gonna do a quick disclaimer. This video is not a financial advice, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a person who makes a life on top of a speculation. Let's put it that way. That's how the market has been structured. That's how everything started. Wall Street started like that, under the tricks back in the days around 70s, by shaking hands and loads of fear. That's the same game that is being played on and on and on again, and it's no difference now, and it won't be different. Yeah. So, oh my God, the market crashes. So what to do now? Well, generally, I'm not sure if it's the end of the bull run, but every market has a cycle. Yeah, everything has up rally, everything has downside. And if you look into 2025, AI had an exponential growth. Do I think that AI will stop growing in 2026? No, absolutely not. So anything related to AI can be a massive advantage, can be a massive investment, such as energy, data centers, anything that will feed AI systems, even gold, silver, however will feed artificial intelligence down the road is something that you can potentially invest. Again, based on your personal requirements. If the market is starting to crash, you should actually feel good about it. This is how the rich and the mega wealth elite top 1% make their money. It has always been on that way, and it will never, ever change. I don't think so. During fear and uncertainty, it's exactly when you should be buying everything. That's what they do. They want you to believe there is a huge crash coming. They want you to believe that the economy is going to go to zero. They want you to believe that everything will go to the fucking floor. So they will buy as much land as they can. They will buy the entire stock market. They will buy the crypto market. They will buy all the AI projects. They will buy everything they can to make sure you own very little and they hold your entire decisions. This is a very dirty game or a fair game. Business is not a very great scene to, look for humbleness. It's a fair game. Business is a fair game, and it has always been that way. It's not about who is good, who is bad. It's a fairness thing. So if you want to be fair to yourself, if we are going to see the crash, which I don't know yet, but for me, it's going to be an extraordinary opportunity. I can't wait to see it, because I'm generally going to buy other companies and I'm going to reinvest my money into real world things, real world assets. I'm now doing some research just in case. I'm not sure if it's going to happen in 2026, but if we are going to see a market crash, I'm going to buy something. I'm going to buy some broke business. I'm going to, refurbish that broke business and just, resell it on the top. That's how it works. So stop panicking about price predictions and step outside the market sometimes to understand the economy, to understand how the world moves. That's how Wall Street was created. And this little man called Warren Buffett has profited massively like that. He bets on companies. He's been always betting on companies. He was reinvesting billions and billions into startups, into early businesses, and he made his wealth on top of that. And I'm telling you, now and in the future, it might not be different, okay? Until we colonize Mars and become one nation. And by the way, this is another conversation for another video, but Elon is very bullish, and he's a very wise and clever man who is doing the same thing as Warren Buffett, and the same thing as loads of politicians out there, loads of business people. And yeah, I believe the only time that we will just do another reset is when we go to Mars. We will be a united nation, one language, one goal to survive. And I don't even think that there is empathy, by the way. Anyways, this is a conversation for another video when it comes to matrix and theories and things that I shouldn't even mention anyways. So yeah, the very few, the top elite, they want you to believe there is a massive crash coming. They want you to panic. They want you to be afraid. They want you to keep you inside the religion loop. They want to keep you inside control, fear, and all of these bad things that we see. But one thing is true: if you learn how to play the rich people, the wealth people game, you will be wealth too. So next time you see a market crash, just see it as an opportunity. Make as much money as you can, buy everything and sell it. That's how you do. But again, you need to do your own research. Okay, with that in place, I'm gonna leave the video today. It's just an outlook, my opinion on how you can become really, really wealthy from market crash. And I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.